Did you know that the humble box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen could be your secret weapon for better health, a cleaner home, and so much more? Today on Wellness Mentor, I'll uncover 7 surprising benefits of baking soda that will leave you amazed. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip that could change how you look at this everyday household item. Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Wellness Mentor. Today we're diving into the incredible, often overlooked benefits of baking soda. This simple, inexpensive ingredient has been used for centuries, not just in cooking, but for cleaning, personal care, and even health remedies. In this video, I'll show you how baking soda can transform your life with its versatility. So, grab a notebook because you'll want to try these tips immediately. Let's start with one of the most popular uses, teeth whitening. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, helping to remove surface stains from your teeth. It also has alkaline properties, which can neutralize acids in your mouth and promote better oral health. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Use it to brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes once a week. If you've ever experienced heartburn or indigestion, baking soda can offer quick relief. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize stomach acid, providing a soothing effect. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it slowly to relieve heartburn. Be careful not to use this remedy too frequently, as it can disrupt your body's natural acid balance. If you have chronic heartburn, consult your doctor first. Did you know that baking soda can be a natural deodorant? It neutralizes odors by balancing the pH levels of your skin, making it a great alternative to chemical-filled deodorants. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply it to your underarms or other areas prone to sweating. Have you tried this hack? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Baking soda is also fantastic for your skin. Its gentle exfoliating properties help remove dead skin cells, while its antibacterial properties can reduce acne. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water to create a paste. Massage it gently onto your skin, focusing on problem areas. Rinse with warm water and apply moisturizer. Use this sparingly, once a week is enough to avoid over-drying your skin. If you've spent too much time in the sun or have an itchy bug bite, baking soda can be a lifesaver. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and itching. Add a 1/4 cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes to soothe sunburn. For bug bites, make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it directly to the affected area. Baking soda isn't just for personal care, it's an incredible natural cleaner for your home. It can remove stains, deodorize surfaces, and even unclog drains. For cleaning, sprinkle baking soda on surfaces like sinks or countertops, scrub with a damp sponge, and rinse. For unclogging drains, pour 1/2 cup of baking soda followed by 1/2 cup of vinegar. Let it sit, then rinse with hot water. Did you know that baking soda can boost your workout? It helps reduce the buildup of lactic acid in your muscles, which can delay fatigue during high-intensity exercises. Some athletes mix a small amount of baking soda with water before workouts. However, consult with a doctor or nutritionist before trying this, especially if you have any health concerns. As a bonus, here's a simple hack: add 1/2 cup of baking soda to your laundry detergent to brighten clothes and remove odors. It's a natural way to keep your laundry fresh and clean. To recap, we've covered 7 incredible benefits of baking soda: teeth whitening, soothing heartburn, natural deodorant, skincare, sunburn relief, household cleaning, and improving athletic performance, plus that bonus laundry tip. Baking soda is truly a multitasking marvel. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wellness Mentor, and hit the bell icon for more amazing health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.